First off, to Mike van at the wall with the latest in Japan. Mike.
It's a commodities sell-off today, has Linda. Oil dropped 3.8% in New York, falling below $67 a barrel at one point. Copper down the most in 4 months. That's taking its toll on commodities companies. Oil explorers, Impex down 4.7%. We've got Japan Petroleum off by 6.5%. Also trading companies, Mitsubishi Corp, Sumitomo Metal Mining, the biggest non-ferrous metal miner, also trading sharply lower, more than 5% down. Exporters also falling as the yen rises against the world's most traded currencies, and the World Bank said that the global recession is deeper, much worse than it forecast 3 months ago. Taking a look at the consumer electronics makers, Canon being hit the hardest, down by 3.1%. Panasonic shares down 2.8%. The world's biggest consumer electronics maker says it's going to cut managers' salaries in the double digits this year. The Asahi newspaper saying this morning that that would average a 13% wage cut for managers. Japan's big three automakers hold annual shareholders' meetings today. Toyota shareholders vote on new board members who are set to approve Akio Toyoda's appointment as president after the meeting. He is the grandson of the car maker's founder. Toyota reported a record loss last year and is forecasting an even worse loss this year. Toyota's going to oversee management of North American operations to try to revive sales in the car maker's biggest market. Well, some good news for Toyota. It led the J.D. Power's quality survey. The Lexus had the fewest problems per vehicle at 84, knocking Porsche off the top spot where it was for the past 2 years. Ford and General Motors, though, closing the gap on Toyota. J.D. Power President Finn O'Neill says the company needs to watch the rearview mirror.
Toyota, of course, had a lot of segment winners, about 10, so they have some great vehicles. But it's not enough just to sit back anymore. The industry is improving substantially, and Toyota cannot rest on its laurels.
Some other companies that can't afford to rest on the laurels, the people who came bottom of the J.D. Power survey. You've got Jeep, Saab, Smart, Land Rover, and down at the bottom, BMW's Mini with 165 problems per vehicle, has Linda.
Small car with lots of problems. Thank you so much there, Mike.